Y'all probably can't see right now, but guys, we're about to embark on a little late night journey real quick to get some wheels. So we got the car ready. Car's ready. I got my old lady. Sorry if y'all can't hear me, but yeah, car's ready. We got the old lady. We got the firearms. We good to go. So yeah, let's give y'all a starter back. Yeah. All right, guys. Anyways, I'll see y'all when we are close or meeting him. So yeah, make sure we got the and we got old lady right here. I'm not gonna let y'all see the wheels yet. They're really popular for Euro, but yeah, I'll see you guys when we are on the road. Peace out.
2 hours later.
Alright, so guys, we are here at the meeting spot. There was a slight miscommunication. Guy went to a different Sheets, but luckily the Sheets is only 5 minutes away from here. So, money in hand. We got one in the head. We should be all good. Yeah, guys, we're just trying to clear some space so we can put them in here. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Look at his new whip, y'all. I like it. All right, guys, here he is. We getting the wheels. That's what, 200?
A few moments later.
Not surprised by nothing, I just take it in stride. On the bright side, everyone on my side, they still got their love and their pride. Hey, let's get high, let's go sci-fi. I'm trying to be out of my mind. Working 9-5, what's the Wi-Fi? I'ma try and buy you sometimes. I'll be a lifeline, just get offline, leave your phone and look in my eyes. Boy, this time fly, it was just nighttime, now the sun is about to rise, and I don't even know how it feels. Don't even know how it feels. Don't even know how it feels to be in love with me for real. Don't even know how it feels. Can't even imagine how it feels to be in love with me for real. When I disappear, you convince yourself you're to blame. When we don't see each other for months on end.
Stop it. Get some help.
Ooh, I'm literally clapping my car right now, bro. Yeah, I'll be back to you guys when you're on the front. The back should be good. Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all how I roll this Fender here. Quarter panel Fender, whatever the fuck you wanna call it. What did I start with on the other side? Pretty sure I started with this. Y'all do this at y'all's own risk on y'all's own car. not responsible for any shit y'all do on y'all's own shit. Got it? Got it. But yeah, anyways, to roll this, what I'm doing is going here with this and give it a good old twisty all up through there. Socket, stick it in, start right here, it starts to pull. Yeah, you guys are gonna give me shit for fucking up this perfectly good car. But it was bound to happen anyways. And if I don't keep it like this for long, I'll do it like my Silver Rabbit and go wide body. Because I'm pretty sure I had the same spec wheels on the Silver Rabbit. Okay. BRZ. Get your other tool. Yeah, this is what made the difference last time for me. It's a like, I guess it'll be a bolt-on tool, I guess. Let me get this on this. A lot more rubber. But as you guys can see, it's slowly taking a shape. Not its shape, but shape that we wanted. I didn't do much calculation before I got these wheels, because I actually thought they were a different size. Yeah, this side done. You can see it's not the prettiest, but if it hits anything, it's gonna hit the bumper. Nothing really metal or structural, which is good. I don't feel like fucking with that shit. Yeah, that's the car. Looks damn good. Still need to go for a test drive, but yeah. Get back to you guys when I fix the bumper. Alright guys, wheels are finally on. We're about to go for a quick little test drive. Rubbing in the front. Thought the back was gonna rub a lot more. rub and shit. The back don't feel like it's rubbing much, which is good. Did some hard braking. Let's see. Yeah, fronts are definitely gonna rub, but I was concerned about the back because I got a baby and shit, y'all. That's what I was concerned about. I was more concerned about the back. I know the front's gonna rub, which for me isn't the end of the world. It just pulled the bumper off at first. So yeah, car's good. I can put on center caps and yeah. Appreciate you guys for tuning in, man. The deal was crazy. I left and came back, bro, over $50. I was about to be like, I don't want them, but yeah, I want them. But peace out, guys. It's been a long ass night. I got work in the morning. Your boy's going to sleep. Peace out. Y'all see the WRX gone. Y'all see what he rocking with now?
I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers. I'm going at nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished. I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city. I tell them to go, they gon' get
Lower than that. Stock car. Bro, but it looks good though. That shit like built to mob type shit. That shit, bro. That shit is fire. Nah, bro, this shit is gas. This shit is gas. Ain't no fucking way. Anyways, guys, we're back here today on the Rabbit. Y'all see, we got them little form wheels. But anyways, we got some of these mirror, I guess, reflectors or turn signals. Turn signals. That's what they are. They're turn signals. Some of these turn signals that go right here. This is the right side. This is the left side, which would go like that. So this compared to this. Let's see. I don't know how to pop this out, but from what I'm judging, I'm guessing you just pull right here. I'm guessing. I don't know. They got a little pry tool. I might go grab that because I left that inside. Yeah, I'll be back. Not gonna lie, y'all, it took me a YouTube search to get this off, but we got the mirrors off. What we gotta do now is get the signal itself off, which honestly I'm not seeing how to do that. I am not seeing how to do that. Maybe back to YouTube we go, cause yeah, I do not know. Yeah, I'm gonna go check YouTube again. I'll be back. So guys, after literally disassembling the whole mirror, we finally got the one piece out that we needed to replace. Now this is left side. So yeah, let me get these slapped on. I'm gonna set y'all up this time, just so y'all can see the bullshit I gotta deal with. I'm trying to get this damn thing on. Yeah, alright. Now this piece goes like into this. I don't know, it's weird, bro. Yeah, it's like a puzzle. It literally goes in it like that. You take one of your screws, put that in. Take your screw, put that in like that. Then oh yeah, make sure we plug it into the connector. Dang, I gotta take the screw back out, bro. I didn't plug it in first. Yeah. Okay, let's plug this connector in here. As so. Plugs in like that. This is one tweak. Like this, actually. Put my screw in there. Okay, that's in. And now we can do is put this back on. It's literally all like a puzzle. That's what I'm getting. I'm getting puzzle vibes right now. Yeah, as you guys can see now, screw goes right there. Got another one that goes just behind there. Ooh. Okay, let's get this last little screw in here. If I can manage to get it in there. Yeah, I'll be back on that. Let me get that in. Guys, here we are. We're gonna peel that off of there. Are you ready to test them? So yeah, I'm gonna go keep that. Then we gotta put these on too. So let me put this. Get my keys real quick. Okay, let's see this side. Okay, they're working. Ooh, DR, I like it. Looks way better. Anyways, guys, here the car is. We're on pretty uneven ground, so y'all won't get to see how it sits, but it sits more of like that right there. And the front's just high because yeah, uneven ground. But yeah, the front sits more of like that all the time.